Back to you in just a few moments. Now let's get to breaking news from Howell, where a judge has sent State Representative Jewell Jones to jail for violating his bond.
This is video of Jones being led out of court in handcuffs after prosecutors say he drank alcohol and tampered with his tether. Rod Maloney was in court for today's hearing. Rod, did he have anything to say?
Just that he admitted that he had violated his bond, and that's how he wound up is getting behind bars tonight. Now, you know, he has been very loud, and this was a very boisterous arrest, and he's brought a lot of attention on himself since that April 6th arrest, claiming that he knew the governor, that the cops are going to be in trouble, and now with a third bond violation, he's going to be in jail for a few nights anyway. Jones came into court today on a $15,000 bond, dressed the distinguished state representative that he is. But prosecutor Cynthia Jones told Judge Michael Hattie Jones has acted anything but since his April arrest.
This defendant's actions, from his conduct during the charged crimes through each of the 3 bond violations, show that he believes that as a person who writes our laws, that he is above our laws.
Jones tugged at his pants covering his alcohol tether, but this is what got him into trouble. Prosecutors saying he tucked his sock up underneath the tether, making it unable to take alcohol readings. That, along with showing minute alcohol readings a few days before that, brought this emergency hearing where Jones told the judge,
"Yes, Your Honor, I'm responsible."
This was Jones' third bond violation. He'd already paid the court $1,000 for not paying the fee to keep the alcohol tether active. With Jones' admission, Chief Judge Michael Hattie said,
"Bond revoked, defendants remanded in custody of the sheriff until 17th.
And away to the jailhouse Jones went. Outside the courthouse, a Reverend Dr. Paul Turner claimed to have helped raise and mentor the representative.
Sometimes second chances are needed. In this case, maybe he does need to sit down for a few days. But we pray that this all will come to an end and Representative Jones will be able to go further in his career.
Now, the judge could have kept Jones in jail much longer than it's likely he will be, because he was supposed to have a pretrial and a motion hearing at the end of the month and then October 1st. The judge moved everything up until Friday. And so on Friday, we'll find out more about where all of this is headed. Back to you.
Yeah, Rod, I'm just curious, how did prosecutors come up with the proof about Jones's tether problem?
That's quite an interesting corner of the story. The prosecutor said today that it was Jewell Jones himself who had sent a picture of his tether. And apparently the picture reflected him being in a car, which was the evidence that showed that he was where he wasn't supposed to be with the tether the way it wasn't supposed to be. So in the end, they say he basically gave up the information himself.
Okay. Rod, thanks.